The workmen have been here today. They've extended the pipes and I've had some plumbing done in the kitchen, so it's been in a bit of a mess. I can't record for too long outside, so now I'm going to just go out and video it and you can see. So here we go. Fence has been taken away for now. Guttering is left like that for now till the boards go on. I don't want to be filming any neighbours. Right, going round the back now. I'm going to be quiet, so I'll speak later. Excuse my garden, it's a mess. This is new today. This is leading into my kitchen. This is my pipework that's come out. That's my hose that was slapped up against the wall. That's also been extended out. That's my pipe, one way round at the moment. I'm going to be filming next door, so I'll try and show you quickly. All the pipes are coming out because the boards are going on, and the boards are going to be quite thick when they go on the walls. So that's what's been happening today. The old soil pipe. They were the vents for the fans. They left new ones back. That was my drain on the bottom, these things. Pipes are sticking out at the moment for both neighbours. Not filming my neighbour. Houses are the same. Hello, this is me. I didn't be talking too much today because people are outside. So it's just the pipework have been extended today and the guttering, basically. It's been quite a busy day, inside and out. So I don't know how far these boards are going to be coming out, because that's quite a long way. So thick actually, isn't it? Looking at it, it's quite a long way. So I don't know how it's going to pan out yet, it's all new to me. This is been installed today. It's a new soil pipe. It's a nice tidy clean one, because another went a bit manky. You can see that now, a mess. So, you can see the hole up there. That's my bathroom. I was very lucky they didn't have to get into my bathroom to disturb the pipes in there. They managed to do that outside, so I'm pleased about that. So that's been dealt with today. New pipe. Same for next door. Everyone in my street is having it done, so we're all in a mess. As I said, that leads to my kitchen, in my cupboard. Underneath my kitchen sink actually, that one, which it would. So that's been extended out. You see the hole up there, because this pipe has not been, I don't know, it has been finished by the looks of it. It's gone a different way. Yeah, it has, and I've noticed. Where that hole is up there, the old pipe is going all the way up into that hole. So that will have to be dealt with, because what they've done, they put the new one on and they put it around the other way then. Oh, different. Right, okay. That's it for now then. So waiting for the wall boards to go on. I don't know if they're going to take these off. They said they would, but I don't know if the wall boards will go over it, so I'm not really sure what's happening on that mark at the moment. I haven't got a clue. As I said, it's all new to me, bear with me. I'm going around in rubbish shoes, because we're in a mess here. I did say that I had a new, what did I say? I had a new roof done about 5 years ago with myself and my neighbour. But they haven't renewed all of the roof. There was no need to, apparently. I got that wrong. There's a house over there being done, do that quickly. Apparently all they have to do on each side of the houses is extend everything out with the guttering and stuff like that. I don't know if you can see this now because it's dark. They haven't covered the roof on the ends yet, but all they've had to do is extend it out. The roof is fine, it doesn't need sorting out, because it was done 5 years ago. Sorry about that, the sun is shining, it's very difficult. So what they've done, extended out. As you can see underneath. Very difficult to show you. Let me get under here. Hang on, give me a minute. There we go, they've extended everything out. That white stuff underneath wasn't there underneath before. It's actually brought everything out. So I got it wrong, they weren't changing the tiles on the roof. They were just extending it on sides out on each house. Can't really see it there, scaffolding's in the way. My lights are down, my son's vent thing is missing, and where I told you in the previous video about this wall, there was a wall sticking out here to here. That's gone, it's in another video. And that was the canopy, the concrete canopy, sorry, and there's wires sticking out a bit, that's in the other video. That was chopped off a bit more yesterday. So that's all I'm reporting for now. I don't want to shout too loud. So that's it. And new towels. With the seat go on the side. Bye.